Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, we are going to create a cover slide with a cinematic title transition. And to make it even cooler, I'll use a trending game, Metal Gear Solid Snake Eater, as our theme for this tutorial. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to support this channel so I can keep making more design tutorials for you. Alright, if you have subscribed, let's jump right in. First, download the image and install the font we'll be using. The link is in the description. For this tutorial, we'll use the Urban Shadow Sans Serif font. Next, create a rectangle that fills the entire slide and make it black. Use text box, then type Metal Gear Solid as the main title. And Snake Eater as the subtitle. Set the main title size to 115 point. Then, set the subtitle to 40 point. Adjust the subtitle character spacing to 18 so the letters spread out nicely. Then, align both the title and subtitle to the center of the slide. Now, select both titles. Go to the Shape Format menu, choose Merge Shapes, then click Union. Now the title and subtitle have turned into a shape for our cutout. Next, we are going to cut them out from the black background. It's simple. Click the black background, hold Shift, then click the text shape, go back to the shape format, and choose Subtract. Done! We now have a cutout for the title. Next, insert the snake image. Resize it so the eye is positioned right in the middle of the word gear, making it look like his eyes is peeking through the gap. Nice. That's it. The slide 1 is done. Now, duplicate it to make the slide 2. On slide 2, shrink the background image a little bit. This way, when we apply the transition, it will look like the image is moving. And then, enlarge the cutout text until it fills the screen, especially at the bottom of the letter E in gear. If it is tricky, use the thumbnail view on the side as the guide. Almost there. Now, add the text game description. Set it to justified alignment. And add this custom shape container. To make the text stand out, create a rectangle with a gradient. Black at the bottom, fading to transparent at the top. Tidy everything up so it looks neat. And then, select both the text and the shape, copy them, and go to the slide 1 and paste them onto the slide 1. Position it at the bottom outside area of the slide. Okay, good. We are nearly done. On slide 1, go to the transition and then choose fade. Go to slide 2 and then choose the transition morph. And now we are done. And this is the result. It's totally easy, right? That's how you make a cover slide with a cinematic title transition. And the best part is, you can reuse this method for any presentation theme you want. That's it for now. See you in the next tutorial.